What's up, guys? In today's video we are going to be doing system test 6 of my fire alarm system, well, the mini fire alarm system. You know what, I'm actually going to turn on the lights because I actually do need them for my camera to work. So this is my alright, when it's focusing, okay, come on, yeah, let's go. So yeah, this is my workspace over here, and I have my fire alarm. I moved it from the other room. So this is my speaker, my fire alarm speaker strobe that I also use as a speaker from my computer because it's actually loud, so it's a good thing so I can hear people if they're calling me, including people on Snapchat. So this past afternoon I've been spending time on working to make the strobe work. So if you've been living under a rock and don't know what SmartSync is, it's the sync protocol that Simplex uses. It's basically simple because, like, if you apply power and then power is cut off by a Simplex fire alarm panel, the strobe will flash. But a downside to it is if you're using a conventional panel or a power supply, it will not really work. But you can actually code a fire alarm control panel to March time and set this to the circuit. That'll work. So yeah, let me give it a test. And I taped it because it's very bright, and I'm not going in there and breaking the housing just to change the candela. And let's turn on the school fire alarm noises. Uh-oh. Alright, so let me quickly skip through with my ELA teacher yapping, and let's get to the alarm part itself.
Attention. We are experiencing a fire emergency. Please proceed calmly to the nearest door and exit the building. Attention. We are experiencing a fire emergency. Please proceed calmly to the nearest door and exit the building.
So yeah, that was it. And be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button. That'll help me a lot. So yeah, bye.